Saving the Tasmanian Devil. What means are being used to combat Devil Facial Tumour Disease? The Tasmanian Devil is a native Australian marsupial which resides in the state of Tasmania. This species is currently at risk of extinction and was placed on the Red List as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature in 2008. The main threat that the devils are facing is a disease called Devil Facial Tumour Disease, also known as DFTD. This disease is a cancer of the face and head and only affects Tasmanian devils. This disease was first discovered in 1996 and numbers of devils have decreased dramatically since this time. DFTD originated from a single host. It is a cancer which is spread through intimate contact. This contact occurs through biting and infection rate is at its highest during the mating season. Due to devils having a low host genetic diversity, their bodies do not recognize the tumour cells as foreign, therefore making it easy for the tumour cells to develop in their new host. The fact that it is so easy for this disease to be contracted is what's making it so hard to eradicate. There was an attempt made to stop the spreading of the disease through a trial in a small area of Tasmania. The method used was culling. The devils that showed symptoms of DFTD were removed. However, the trial was deemed as unsuccessful and it was terminated. Research has begun on developing a vaccination for DFTD, but so far no effective vaccine has been created. There are other options that have not yet been trialled. These include isolating infected populations, genetic management, and habitat modification. There has been much controversy over the possibility of isolation by way of starting new colonies of devils in a fenced-off area where infection has not yet occurred, and genetic management could be a possibility due to the low host genetic diversity. The two other species most affected by the decline in numbers of Tasmanian devils due to DFTD are feral cats and eastern quolls. Since the introduction of DFTD, numbers of feral cats have increased and numbers of eastern quolls have decreased. This can be attributed to who is prey for who. The population of Tasmanian devils has decreased dramatically since DFTD was first photographed in 1996. Annual spotlight surveys show that sightings of devils have declined by 84% across the state of Tasmania. This decline in numbers of devils shows just how critical it is to the Tasmanian devil species that means be discovered and action to be taken to save them from extinction. In relation to this problem, there is not a lot that we can do to eliminate DFTD. However, donations can be made to programs working to save the Tasmanian devil by breeding them in captivity. Some of these programs are Save the Tasmanian Devil, Hillsville Sanctuary, and Devils at Cradle. If you cannot donate, you can also become a volunteer for one of these organisations with either your time or fundraising assistance.